So just so you understand this, right? So this morning, you could see that I cleared the snow from the front of my vehicle, right? I cleared all that snow from the front. So this guy did not clean his driveway yet. So this guy, he didn't clean his driveway yet. So all that was just snowed in, right? So what this guy did when he come to clean his driveway, he take the snow and he throws it towards my car. So now I have to come back now and remove, as you can see, all that snow that he just threw right in the car, right? So he threw all that snow right back underneath my car. Right? So now I have to come back and clear this. These people right here, they didn't clean up yet in that area here. This property is here, right? So they didn't clear yet. This, and I know it's this property who did this, right? Between these two. So now I have to come back and clean this stuff, right? Now the same thing is going to happen to my back. cleared in front of the car now. Right? So now I have a path that I can come out of, right? You see the height of the snow right here. Now, what's gonna happen next? I can predict what's gonna happen when this guy comes to clean his driveway. This guy right here. This guy right here. This guy. When he comes to clean his driveway, right? What he's gonna do is to throw snow right there in that sweet spot right here. That's what he's gonna do. And I may have to come back again and do the same thing because he have not decided to come and clean his driveway. So wherever he get the space, that's what he's gonna do. He's gonna throw the snow right in that spot in the back of my car, burying my car again. Right? So I know that's what's gonna happen. 9205, 51st Ave, right? And that's the selfishness of the area, the inconsideration to some of the people around here, right? So this guy, 9207, right? 9207 is the one who screwed me over, and then 9205, hey! So, alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching guys. Let me see this guy on the bike. Let me see. Oh, see this guy on the bike in the snow. Skid right off on the snow in the bike. Alright, so now I clear around the car. It's good for now. It's good for now. I'm gonna leave it as this. But like I said, this guy is gonna come out, clear this here, and dump it in the back of my car. That's exactly what that will happen. Alright? Thank you guys.